These 6-ingredient keto low-carb pancakes with almond flour and coconut flour are so easy, fluffy, and delicious. Paleo and gluten-free, too. Don't forget to get my free keto recipe book on the link in the description below this video. Like and subscribe and share and hit that bell to get notified to see my new videos. Here's the ingredients you will need. 1 cup blanched almond flour, blanched and finely ground recommended. 1/4 cup coconut flour. 2 to 3 tablespoons erythritol or any sweetener of choice. 1 teaspoon gluten-free baking powder. 5 large egg. 1/3 cup unsweetened almond milk or any milk of choice, may need more, see instructions. 1/4 cup avocado oil or any neutral tasting oil that is liquid at room temperature. 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract, optional, but recommended. 1/4 of a teaspoon sea salt, optional, but recommended. Instructions. Whisk all ingredients together in a bowl until smooth. Batter should be the consistency of typical pancake batter. If it's too thick, add a little more milk. Don't add too much, or the pancakes will be too wet. Preheat an oiled pan on the stove over medium-low to medium heat. Drop the batter onto the hot pan and form into circles. Cover and cook about 1.5 to 2 minutes, until bubbles start to form. Flip and cook another 1.5 to 2 minutes, until browned on the other side. Repeat with the rest of the batter. Recipe notes. After further testing and reader feedback, this recipe was slightly updated on March 29, 2018 to make it even better. Above is the new version. The changes were adding avocado oil, reducing eggs by 1, and reducing almond milk slightly. So now, they are more flavorful and not egg white. If you want the old version, use 6 eggs, 6 to 8 tablespoons almond milk, and omit the avocado oil. For best flavor, fry the pancakes in ghee clarified butter. Don't use butter, because it burns too easily. Otherwise, avocado oil is a great oil to use with neutral taste. Make sure you have blanched, finely ground almond flour. The pancakes will be gritty if you use almond meal, ground almonds, or any other type. Use a mild, neutral-tasting avocado oil, not extra virgin. It should be almost clear, not dark. Otherwise any other neutral-tasting oil works great, too. Serving size, 2 3-inch pancakes.